Huawei is once again preparing to strengthen its position in the premium smartwatch market with the upcoming Watch GT7 Pro. Even before the official launch event, the company has generated significant excitement by revealing multiple teaser images, while leaked hands-on photos have provided a detailed preview of all 7 expected variants. At first glance, the new smartwatch appears very similar to its predecessor, but a closer inspection reveals a number of thoughtful improvements that could make it one of Huawei's most refined wearables to date. Rather than introducing an entirely new design, Huawei seems to have concentrated on enhancing the features that users already appreciate. This strategy raises an interesting question. Is the Watch GT7 Pro simply an incremental refresh, or does it represent a much bigger leap beneath the surface? Based on everything revealed so far, the answer appears to lean toward meaningful refinement rather than dramatic reinvention. The design philosophy remains unmistakably Huawei. The Watch GT7 Pro continues to feature the premium circular display, durable metal construction, and signature octagonal bezel that have become defining characteristics of the GT Pro series. The familiar digital crown and secondary side button remain positioned on the right edge of the case, providing quick access to menus, apps, and workout functions while maintaining a traditional watch-like appearance. Instead of chasing bold redesigns that may divide opinion, Huawei has focused on polishing an already successful formula. The result is a smartwatch that looks equally comfortable in a professional office environment, during a formal dinner, or while accompanying users on outdoor adventures. Its premium finish, balanced proportions, and refined detailing help reinforce Huawei's reputation for producing some of the most attractive smartwatches currently available. One of the biggest upgrades this year is the expanded selection of models. Reports suggest Huawei will introduce 7 different versions across the GT7 family, offering buyers considerably more flexibility than before. The standard Watch GT7 is expected to be available in both 41mm and 46mm sizes, allowing users to choose the size that best suits their wrist and personal style. Meanwhile, the GT7 Pro appears to focus on a larger, more premium design aimed at enthusiasts who want additional features and a more rugged appearance. This wider product lineup ensures there is likely to be an option for nearly every type of user, from those seeking a lightweight, everyday smartwatch to those wanting a larger wearable designed for fitness, travel, and outdoor activities. Huawei is also refreshing the visual identity of the lineup through a wider range of color choices. In addition to the familiar black finish, leaked images showcase striking green and vibrant yellow versions that immediately stand out from previous generations. These new finishes are complemented by redesigned sport straps that match each color, creating a more coordinated and modern appearance. Rather than simply changing the case color, Huawei appears to have carefully considered the overall aesthetic of each model. The standard GT7 series is also expected to arrive in elegant shades such as white, gray, blue, and pink, giving users even greater freedom to express their personal style. Whether someone prefers understated elegance or a more eye-catching look, the expanded color palette adds another layer of customization. Hands-on photos reveal another interesting detail that has sparked discussion among smartwatch enthusiasts. The GT7 Pro appears noticeably thicker than the standard GT7 models. While some users may initially view the increased thickness as a disadvantage, it could actually indicate one of the watch's biggest strengths. The additional space inside the case likely accommodates a larger battery, reinforcing Huawei's long-standing reputation for exceptional battery life. Unlike many competing smartwatches that require charging every day or two, Huawei's GT series has consistently delivered endurance that often exceeds a full week under normal usage. If the GT7 Pro continues this tradition while introducing more advanced features, it could remain one of the strongest choices for users who value long-lasting performance over frequent charging. Although Huawei has not officially confirmed the complete hardware specifications, expectations remain high based on previous generations. The company has consistently delivered comprehensive health and fitness features, including continuous heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen measurement, sleep tracking, stress analysis, women's health features, GPS navigation, and hundreds of workout modes covering everything from running and cycling to swimming and hiking. Rather than replacing these capabilities, Huawei is expected to improve sensor accuracy, provide more detailed workout analysis, and introduce smarter AI-powered wellness insights that help users better understand their health. Enhanced recovery recommendations, personalized activity suggestions, and more accurate biometric readings could become some of the most important improvements when the watch is officially announced. The display also appears set to continue Huawei's tradition of offering premium AMOLED panels with impressive visual quality. Early images show a bright circular display surrounded by slim bezels that maximize screen space without compromising the classic watch design. Huawei's smartwatch displays have consistently been praised for their vivid colors, sharp text, smooth animations, and excellent outdoor visibility. If the company further increases peak brightness this year, the GT7 Pro could become even easier to read under direct sunlight, making it especially appealing to runners, hikers, cyclists, and outdoor enthusiasts who rely on clear visibility during their activities. Combined with customizable watch faces, the display should provide both style and practicality. Performance is another area where Huawei has steadily refined its smartwatch experience. HarmonyOS has matured significantly over recent years, offering fluid navigation, responsive touch controls, efficient multitasking, and excellent power management. While the platform may not offer the extensive third-party application ecosystem found on competing operating systems, it continues to excel in the areas that matter most to many smartwatch owners. Notifications arrive quickly, health monitoring operates reliably, workout tracking remains comprehensive, music controls function smoothly, and overall responsiveness contributes to a polished user experience. Huawei's emphasis on speed, stability, and efficiency ensures the watch feels dependable throughout everyday use. Comfort has also received attention through redesigned straps that appear softer, more flexible, and better suited for extended wear. Whether users are wearing the watch during a demanding workout, throughout a full workday, or while sleeping for overnight health tracking, comfortable straps play an important role in the overall ownership experience. The updated designs give the GT7 series a slightly sportier personality without sacrificing the elegant appearance that has always defined Huawei's premium wearables. This balance between fashion and function is one of the reasons the GT series continues to attract a broad audience. Competition in the premium smartwatch market continues to intensify, with major brands introducing increasingly advanced health features, AI capabilities, and performance improvements every year. However, Huawei continues following its own strategy rather than directly copying competitors. Instead of focusing exclusively on application libraries, the company emphasizes premium materials, sophisticated design, outstanding battery endurance, comprehensive health tracking, and dependable everyday performance. For many consumers, these qualities are far more valuable than having access to thousands of rarely used applications. Based on everything revealed through teasers and early hands-on images, the Huawei Watch GT7 Pro appears to represent a carefully considered evolution of an already successful product. Its familiar yet refined design, expanded lineup of variants, refreshed color options, redesigned straps, improved comfort, and likely larger battery all suggest Huawei has concentrated on perfecting the user experience instead of pursuing unnecessary visual changes. While some technology enthusiasts may have hoped for a complete redesign, many existing Huawei users will likely appreciate the company's decision to improve the features that already worked well. The final verdict will naturally depend on the official specifications, pricing, software enhancements, and real-world performance. If Huawei successfully combines its renowned battery life with upgraded sensors, more intelligent health insights, premium craftsmanship, and competitive pricing, the Watch GT7 Pro has every opportunity to become one of the standout premium smartwatches of 2026 and another strong example of how thoughtful refinement can sometimes be more valuable than radical redesign.